Welcome to Symons House. I'm Lydia, the events coordinator here. We're a brand new luxury student accommodation based in Leeds city centre, just a stone's throw away from the Leeds Grand Theatre and very close to the Merrion Centre, which homes Morrison Supermarket. We're perfectly located for easy access to all of the city's universities, including a 10-minute walk away from the University of Leeds and only a 5-minute walk away from Leeds Beckett University. Welcome to reception. Our team are on site Monday to Friday to assist with any problems you may have. They also collect parcels, so you can collect them whenever it's convenient for you. There's security on the evenings and at the weekend if you have any problems. Our event board here tells you what's going on this month. This month we have ice skating at Millennium Square and pancakes on Pancake Day. Welcome to the two-bed apartment. This apartment comprises 2 equally sized bedrooms. In the kitchen lounge area you have a smart TV, an oven microwave, plenty of storage and a fridge freezer. I'll let you have a look around before we see the bedrooms. Your room will measure 22 square metres and it includes a 3/4 size bed, a study area, a large wardrobe, electronic blinds and ample storage. Welcome to the studio. Our studio is measured 22 square metres. Over here you can find your wardrobe and dining table. In the kitchen area there's an oven microwave, lots of storage and a large fridge freezer. Over in the bedroom area you have a smart TV, a desk perfect for studying and a 3/4 size bed. Welcome to the 4-bedroom apartment. This apartment is great for sharing with friends. In the large lounge area there's a smart TV and 2 sofas, perfect for those movie nights. Over in the kitchen you have an oven microwave, lots of storage, a fridge freezer and a large dining table that's great for communal cooking. Welcome to the social space. Here you can enjoy a game of table tennis or pool with your friends or get a little more competitive in one of our regular tournaments. You can also watch TV and listen to music in here. Most of our events happen in this space too, including parties and pop-up shops. Welcome to the cinema room. You can enjoy this room whenever you like, logging onto all your accounts including Netflix, ITV and Sky. We play regular movie nights from here, so you can enjoy a movie and pizza with your friends. In the breakfast area you can help yourself to a tea or coffee, cold drink from the fridge or fresh fruit 7 days a week. You can also use this space to have communal meals with friends. Welcome to our 24-hour on-site gym. We have a wide range of equipment including a bike machine, cross trainer, 2 treadmills and upper body cable machines. Behind me is our fully equipped weight section. I'll let you have a look around. Welcome to the private dining room. This room comes with everything you need to host the perfect dinner party. There's even a dishwasher. You can book this room out 7 days a week with the reception team. Welcome to the roof terrace, with breathtaking views of Leeds city centre and beyond. In the summer months the barbecue comes out and you can enjoy our outdoor cinema, or just relax in the sun lounges with friends if you want to.